Today I'm going to show you how to place the lavalier mic onto your clothing before you press record. Now, there's plenty of wrong ways to do it and very few right ways to do it. So I just want to show you the one wrong way that you should not do it, and it's a very common mistake. They just grab the lav like this. This is the wrong way. Why? Because you can see the wire. We need to avoid that immediately. So let's get that out of our heads. This is not the right way. Now, the right way to do it is probably the simplest and the most effective. You make a little loop downward and you bring it in here like this. And then you immediately make another little hoop downward. And it should be easy to place onto your jacket or whatever it is that you're wearing. Okay, and just like that. Now, the reason for this one is because the wire is now in the back. You can totally hide it behind the jacket or whatever it is that you're wearing. Very simple. Boom. Now, let's say you're not wearing a jacket. Some of you ladies, sometimes you don't wear jackets, and that's okay. So, let me start off taking off the jacket. So, now this is the best way to put it onto your button-up shirt or your polo shirt, preferably a button-up shirt in a solid color. Solid because everything else plays with the camera's algorithm. That's a whole other story. All right, so you put it underneath your shirt. Okay. Pull it out like this. Now try to pull it out a little bit more than what you need, so you can have room to play with. Okay, make that little hoop that goes underneath. Okay, little hoop going downward, like this. Now you can pull on the bottom of the shirt, pull on it. Okay. Now, once you clip it, pulling it downward. And that should do it. Now, I know ladies, many times on your blouse, the buttons are on the opposite side. Same rules apply. Only difference is you take off the little clip. See this clip right here? Boom. And reverse it. Okay. Now the exact same thing, make a loop going downward. And then back up. And of course you clip it on there, only I can't do it because, well, the buttons are on the opposite side for me. But same rules apply. Very simple, very effective. And well, I hope it helps you all out.